Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted that sleek, modern hamburger menu for your Wix Studio website, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and set up a hamburger menu that organizes your site navigation and looks fantastic. No guesswork, no stress. So, let's dive right in. Before we actually add the hamburger menu, we need to make sure we've got some pages to display inside it. Think of your site like a book. You need some chapters before you can build a table of contents. So start by heading over to the Pages section in your Wix Studio dashboard. It's usually on the left sidebar. Here, click Add New Page. You can name each page whatever fits your site. About, Services, Contact, maybe even Blog. Take a second to add a simple design or background to each one, just so they're visually distinct. It's always easier to build navigation when you know what your visitors will see. Don't worry if you're just sketching things out. You can always come back and tweak the designs later. Once you've created your pages, it's time for the fun part, adding that hamburger menu. This is the iconic 3-line button you'll see on mobile websites everywhere, and it's fantastic for keeping your navigation clean on any device. Head up to the Add Element section in Wix Studio. You'll find it floating over your design workspace. In the search bar, just type Hamburger Menu. Wix makes this easy. You'll see a selection pop up. Click to add the menu right onto your site's header. The header is a great spot because it's visible on every page, just like the main signpost at the entrance of a park. Make sure you're happy with its position. You can drag it where you like, but I recommend keeping it clear and easy to spot. Now, let's customize your new menu so it does what you need. Click on the hamburger menu element and select Edit Menu. You'll notice that by default, there's probably a home page inside, but that's just the starting point. To show all the pages you want, click on Manage Menu. Here's where you add the actual items. The chapters we made earlier. Press Add Items and select each page you created. You'll see them appear inside your menu as you add them, so you can double-check that nothing's missing. If you ever want to rename them or change the order, this is the moment to do it. Don't rush. Building your main navigation is like setting up a guide for your visitors. Make it clear, concise, and easy to explore. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and preview your site. Click the Preview button. This lets you step into your visitors' shoes and try out the menu yourself. Click the hamburger icon and see your pages pop up. Try switching between them and make sure each page leads where it should. If something seems off, just hop back to the editor and adjust it. This part might take a few moments, and that's totally normal. It's all about making sure everything flows smoothly. And that's it. You've just set up a stylish hamburger menu in Wix Studio. Not only does this help your visitors explore your site intuitively, but it also gives your site that modern, professional feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below. I do read them and try to help out. Subscribe if you want more practical Wix tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy building!